Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Colorado ZR2. Now this vehicle only has 13,601 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This four-wheel drive extended cab long box comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your Rally Sport package, black Chevy decals, and 17 by 8-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our all-weather mats with jet black leather seating. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, a spot to charge your phone, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.